Hello. I will show you how to Audacity record computer audio. First you need to do the configuration in Audacity. The audio recording configuration should be changed to stereo mix. Recording channels need to be configured to stereo to have stereo sound. Speakers/headphones need to be configured for audio playback. Then, when the configuration is complete, you can record the computer sound with the Audacity program. When the recording process is complete, you can listen to the recorded sound. If this information was useful to you, please leave a comment and subscribe to the channel.